हेलो दोस्तों एंड व्यूअर्स, सेल्पिप एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। एक नए वीडियो के साथ मैं फिर से हाजिर हूं। चलिए देखते हैं सेल्पिप राइटिंग टास्क 2 एंड आईएलटीएस राइटिंग टास्क 2। You are employed by a large restaurant chain. Your line manager has written to you to ask your opinion on plans for the yearly staff trip in the coming winter. There are two options to choose from, and your manager would like feedback on which you think is best. Choose the option that you prefer. Why do you prefer your choice? Explain the reason for your choice. Write about 150 to 200 words. Option A, take all employees to a local restaurant with a small charge to each employee. Option B, have a potluck dinner at the office where everyone brings a dish that they have bought or prepared. All right, so just before I get started, dosto and viewers, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Also comment below. This way I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future for you. Okay, although it is a great idea to have the meal at a local restaurant this year, however, I opine that the potluck option is a better choice because there will be more variety and it will help to build a sense of community. To begin with, as a multicultural team with people from all age groups bringing our own dishes would be an excellent way to ensure that there is something for everyone. For example, I would love to try some home-cooked Canadian dishes, and some of the staff would be intrigued to taste the food from my region. Additionally, the idea that everyone contributes something is great for team building. In other words, the act of sharing what we have created and discussing the different dishes and cuisines helps to build relationships and trust. For instance, everyone has a responsibility to bring something to the table, and this strengthens the community spirit as we will all be relying on each other. In conclusion, eating at a restaurant has its own charm, but potluck dinner would strengthen the sense of community and give us all the chance to share our cultures and try something new. Nevertheless, thanks for giving us the chance to get involved in the decision process, and I look forward to seeing you at the dinner. तो मैंने ये एक टेम्पलेट जो बनाया है, ये आप सभी दूसरे टॉपिक्स में भी लिख सकते हैं. Anyway, let's see what do we have in store for us in IELTS writing task 2. Many offenders commit more crimes after serving the first punishment. Why is this happening, and what measures can be taken to tackle this problem? So this is a problem solution essay. It is true that some criminals commit crimes again after they have been punished. While there are several reasons for this alarming trend, some effective measures can be taken by governments to tackle this problem. There are two main reasons for reoffenders. Firstly, the prison system can make the situation worse. Criminals put together in prison and they make friends with other offenders. While they are locked up in prison, they do not have much to do there, and they would exchange information about what they have done before they came to the prison, or they may plan crimes with other inmates. Secondly, offenders often do not have any other means of earning money. They are poor, uneducated, and lacking skills needed to maintain a job. Also, a criminal record makes finding a job difficult as people usually avoid hiring ex-convict. To solve this problem, governments should focus on rehabilitation of criminals rather than punishment. Above all, prisons need vocational training which makes inmates to prepare for life outside the prison. They can learn practical skills such as computer programming, car maintenance, and graphic design. In this way, they can be hired for a position that requires this certain knowledge and skills. For instance, community service is another way to reform offenders rather than being locked up in prison with other inmates. Offenders can help society and become useful to their local community, and these activities would eliminate the negative influence that prisons can have. In conclusion, it is true the reoffenders are one of the problems in our community. Nevertheless, it can be solved by focusing rehabilitation rather than punishment itself. So viewers, I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is Sridhar signing off from CELPIP Academy. See you on the other side. Thanks for watching.